So I've built and sold a lot of PCs in the past as a hobby and a bit of fun, and I've been inspired by the likes of Tech Yes City, Tech by Matt, DLM Tech Garage and Cheap Bastard, just to name a few. All links to these guys below, and they're great for getting the best bang for buck on the old tech. So let's see what we can do and how far we can go with €100. To start with, and for a base, I bought this Lenovo ThinkCentre for €30. I actually bought two of them for €60, but obviously we're only using one €30 Lenovo ThinkCentre. It contains an i5 4th gen CPU, no RAM, no hard drive or no SSD, and obviously no graphics card. But we have a base to start with, and using this motherboard, CPU and PSU going forward, let's see what we can build out. Next steps was to look at the RAM, and here I got a 16GB kit of DDR3 RAM for €12. This is a good deal. I thought I might have to only go with 8GB, but this is a good find for 16GB dual kit. So how are we going to be gaming on this thing? Well, we don't have a budget for a PSU, so we're going to have to use the power supply that's already here. And obviously this power supply has no additional PSU cables for a GPU. So the graphics card will need to reflect that. I picked up this GTX 750 Ti, which suits this build perfect, for €30. So all in all, we've totally spent €72 to date. €28 remains, and we still need to get an SSD and a PC case perhaps, or mod this case somehow. Luckily SSDs are pretty cheap these days, and I got this 500GB SSD for €15. And last but not least, I picked up a dusty and a bit bashed PC case for €15. Came with an blue LED fan, which is great. So that's the full build, or full items bought, and we spent a total of €102. I'm €2 over the €100, but I think we'll allow for that. So how does it run? Well, pretty good actually. Fortnite's over 100 FPS at 1080p on mid to low settings, and Haven runs smoothly. It's a pretty clean looking budget PC for someone who's looking to get into esports gaming and maybe push it as much as they can. I'm going to put the PC up for sale for €250 and see what we get. Fingers crossed.